stop writing SQL queries manually. Today, we are building an AI agent that connects to your database, writes the SQL for you, and extracts the exact data you ask for in plain English. Welcome to Naga Automates. Today, we are tackling Text-to-SQL. This is the number one most requested AI feature by businesses right now, and we are using CrewAI to build it. The logic is simple. We will build a two-agent crew. The SQL developer translates your English into a SQL query and runs it using a custom tool. Then a data analyst takes the messy database output and formats a neat report. I have a dummy data in my SQLite. You can see. Here is my dummy data. So let's start. Install required packages: CrewAI, LangChain, and python.env. Import OS for environment variables and file paths. Import SQLite 3 to connect and run queries on SQLite databases. Import agent, task, crew, and process. These are core CrewAI classes for agents, tasks, and workflows. Import tool. It is a decorator to create custom tools. Import Google Generative AI to connect Gemini LLM. Import load.env. It's load environment variables from .env file. Here we get Gemini API key from environment variables. Then initialize Gemini LLM. First, we create the custom SQL execution tool. Here, we register this function as a CrewAI tool. Then we connect to this print messages show which query is being executed. It connects to SQLite database file. Create a cursor to run queries. It executes the SQL query. Here we fetch all results from the query, then close the database connection. It returns results or message if it is empty. Here we can return error message if query fails. Now we are going to define the AI agents. Agent 1 SQL Developer. Here we are giving agent role and agent's mission. Look at that backstory. We must tell it our database schema, the table name and columns. Otherwise, it won't know what to query. Here we provide execute SQ. Here we are assigning Gemini LLM. Same we are creating data analyst. Next, we are going to define the tasks. Here we are giving our SQL query. This is user request. You can change as you want. Task number 1, SQL task. Here we are giving description, expected output and agent. Here we assign task to SQL Developer Agent. Same, we creating report task. Now we are going to assemble the crew. Agents, we are giving list of agents. Tasks, we are giving list of tasks. Process, it runs tasks sequentially. Let's run the workflow. Save the file, let's run it. I asked which servers crashed. Hit run. The developer writes a select statement with a where clause. It's the database and passes the raw arrow to the analyst. Boom, a perfect IT incident report. You can connect this to MySQL, Postgres, anything. Subscribe to Naga Automates.